we learn about the importance of northern plains. अभी ये northern plains हमारे लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्यों हमारे लिए northern plains ज़रूरी है? तो ये simple reason is that these plains, northern plains, provide soil which is very good for growing crops. ठीक है? Next point will be many cities are built on the banks of rivers. ठीक है? बहुत सारे ऐसे शहर है जो रिवर नदियों के नज़दीक में सिटीज़ बनाए जाते हैं. ठीक है? प्लेन एरिया. फिर कुछ प्लेन एरिया जो है हमें क्या देते हैं? ये प्रोवाइड सॉइल, ये हमें ज़मीन देते हैं. ओके, जो वेरी फर्टाइल, जो बहुत उपजाऊ होते हैं. ओके, एंड देन as the land is flat, this helps in transporting of food produced here to the other parts of the country. And since these are plain areas, okay, it helps to transfer food from one place to another. Okay, so that's why we can say the plains are very important. Okay, or you can say the northern plains are very important. Okay, okay. Now we learn about life in the desert and the region. इनके यहाँ पे लाइफ कैसे होते हैं. ठीक है, इन नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में लाइफ जीवन कैसे होते हैं. तो जनरली इफ यू सी द पंजाब कम्स इन नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. ओके, सो सिंस दिस पंजाब, इन पंजाब वी फाइंड द सतलुज बीच एंड रवि रिवर्स flowing through the Punjab. That's why this Punjab you can say is very fertile. Okay, and here you will find the main crops grown here are wheat, rice and sugar cane. Okay, they are the main crops grown in Punjab. Okay, and if you see the people of Punjab are very fond of, उन लोगों के सबसे मनपसंद उन लोगों का खाना. ठीक है, पंजाब के लोगों के मनपसंद खाना क्या होता है? जैसे कि मक्के की रोटी, सरसों का साग, dal and lassi. These are the main food items, okay, which are liked by the people of Punjab. Okay, that is makke ki roti, sarson ka saag, dal and lassi. So this is we have learned about Punjab. Okay, now we learn about Delhi. So you know New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, and all the central government offices are located here, that is in Delhi only. Okay, so and generally this Delhi is divided into two parts. Okay, one is Old Delhi and New Delhi. Okay, and since this Delhi and this Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. That means what? We find now Yamuna river near Delhi. हमें दिल्ली के सामने में कौन सा नदी मिलेंगे? Yamuna. Okay, and in another way you can say that Delhi is also famous for many historical monuments. Okay, दिल्ली क्यों मशहूर है? बहुत सारे historical और you can say प्रसिद्ध बिल्डिंग्स के लिए. ओके, यादगार यहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारे ऐसे बिल्डिंग्स मिलते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि रेड फोर्ट, कुतुब मीनार, जामा मस्जिद, लोटस टेम्पल, अक्षरधाम टेम्पल, जंतर मंतर एंड इंडिया गेट. ओके, सो दीज आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मॉन्यूमेंट्स. ओके, व्हिच यू फाइंड इन दिल्ली. ओके, एंड जनरली the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, known as a Rajghat, is also in Delhi only. Okay, so in this way we can say that Delhi is very famous. Okay, a very important city, or since it is our capital only. Okay, of India. Now we learn about Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so if you see Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state of India. Okay. And Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so and also here if you see the main food here, the ground here are wheat. Okay, and generally rice. Okay, wheat and rice is the main food of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and beyond that we will find many other crops grown there. These are called like sugarcane, cotton, oilseeds, maize and potatoes. Okay, and also you will find here the many monuments also which is very famous in Uttar, that is called Taj Mahal, okay, which is at Agra, and it is where? It is in Uttar Pradesh only. So in this way you can say that Uttar Pradesh is very famous, okay, for monuments also, and also for its population also. Okay? Okay. Then comes next is Bihar. Now we learn about Bihar. So Bihar, you know, it is located to the east of Uttar Pradesh. Bihar कहाँ पर है? To the east of उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश के पूर्व के साइड में कौन मिलेंगे? बिहार. Okay? And this Bihar, actually it is Patna is the capital of Bihar, और इसका capital क्या है? Patna. Okay? And the main, here also the main crops grown are called rice and sugar cane. Okay? And also Bihar is rich in mineral deposits, especially iron and coal. So in this way we can say that Bihar is also very famous, okay, a very important city, okay, a state, okay. And if you see one more important monuments, if you see in Bihar, that is called Nalanda and Bodh Gaya. Okay, they are the big cities. Okay, it is a historical importance in Bihar. Okay. So in this way we have learned about Bihar. Now we learn about Jharkhand. Okay. So if you see Jharkhand, it is a newly created state from Bihar. Actually earlier Jharkhand was in Bihar only, but it was now created a new state. It was divided and it was formed as a new state from Bihar. So if you see this Jharkhand is also very famous in India. Okay, here this state is very rich in minerals, just like iron ore, coal, mica and graphite. Okay, and many things are made from iron ore, coal, mica and graphite. Okay, and if you see here Dhanbad, okay, this is an important city in Jharkhand. Okay, you will find it very famous. Okay, and so Dhanbad is called as a coal capital. Okay, coal capital. And if you see the capital of Jharkhand is called Ranchi. Okay, and also here the main language spoken here are Hindi, Urdu, Maithili and Bhojpuri. Okay, so in this way we have learned about Jharkhand. It is also a very important state. Okay, a very famous state. Now we learn about West Bengal. Okay, so if you see towards the south of northern hilly region lie the plains of West Bengal. Okay, and here the main crops grown here rice and jute. Okay, in West Bengal the main crops grown here are rice and jute. Okay, and here its capital is where? That is Kolkata. Okay, the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata, and generally the people of Bengal they are very fond of rice and fish. Okay, rice and fish. And here if you see the main language, that is called Bangla. Bangla is the main language here.